Thank you for buying this 10174 5 by 7 inches sign holder picture frame from Fixture Displays. This sign holder comes in 3 parts. You have the clear sign holder portion that is made from 2mm thick material. You have the silicone strip and wood base. To use this product is really straightforward. You want to open up the bottom and slide in a piece of literature or a picture or a menu, whatever you intend to display, and then close the bottom with the seal. This strip is fairly flexible and easy to work with. Make sure you take your time so that the strip is straight and clean. Then we're going to choose a slot and pressure fit it in. There are 2 slots at the base. One is at an angle that leans back, and the other is straight, or vice versa. And you can change how you display this very easily and quickly, depending on a particular height of your display or your audience. You can change that in and out and give your customers a fresh look every time they pass by. The graphics again is 5 by 7 inches. Overall height, width is 5 and depth is 2 inches. Height is 8.2 inches. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplay.com for other products and services we have to offer. In this particular style, we also have 8.5 by 11 size. The system model has a simpler triangular base, and again we have 5 by 7, 8.5 by 11, and 4.6, so on and so forth. Fixture Display design and manufacture a wide variety of business and consumer products. We also custom make for our customers. If you have a project you want to get a quote on, we love that opportunity. After watching this video, if you have any questions or a customization request, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback and a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.